Hello everyone, my name is Neelam and today I am going to show you one website that I have created for a web buildathon. So for that, first of all, I will open my Chrome browser and type one domain name that I have got from the uh, GoDaddy for free. Uh, I just created one pastry house. From that you can order your pastries, cakes or chocolates in online mode. This is my home page of my website. This is my logo, NK Pastry House. Again, the tagline for the NK Pastry House. These are my social sites icons. From that you can directly connect with me. Then this is the home tab, this is the cake tabs, and this is the about us tab. This is the main page. Here you can see all our products, that is cupcakes, pastry cakes and the chocolates. In below section you can also see our products. Again, in the about us section I write the address of the NK Pastry House. Again, I just added one map to see exact location of the NK Pastry House. You can see that in the Savade Dumala the NK Pastry House is resides. If you want to check all types of cupcakes, uh, you just need to tap on the cupcakes. Again, here you can see all types of cupcakes. If you want to see the cakes, you just need to click on the cakes. Here all types of cakes like a birthday cakes, anniversary cakes, wedding cakes. If you want to image on your cake, you can also get this. Again, themes. If you want to see all types of chocolates, then you can also see like a white chocolate, dark chocolate, mixed, etc, etc. Yeah, that's it. Again, I'm going to my home page. So guys, we are now at our home page. If you want to see our menu card and order it, you just need to click on this button and have some patience. Depending on your internet speed, it will take time to open it. This is open. Here you can see all types of cupcakes with their prices. In below, all types of cakes with their prices, and all types of chocolates with their prices. Now I like to buy a milk chocolate. If you want to give some instructions, you can write it here. Like I am writing here, no low sugar. Yeah, low sugar. Yeah. You can also choose your quantity. I'm choosing here 3 milk chocolates, and just click on add to cart. Here in above section you can see that the milk chocolate is added to your cart. Again, I already write my contact details. You can see that the first name, last name, again email address and your phone number. Then you need to click on the order method. If you want delivery, then you must give your address. The delivery charge will be added to your total count. Again, you need to choose a payment method, like a cash, card to delivery, and call me, or I will give you the my bank details. I'm choosing here by cash and save it and place my order.
Yeah, we are now receiving your order. Please wait. This notification will uh, give to the restaurant owner, and after he accept it, your order will be successfully confirmed. So just wait. Yeah, you can see that your order is confirmed, and you get your order in 30 minutes. Thank you for watching.